So you know, you should see a lot of younger faces playing the steel guitar. Who knows? You know, in the next 5-10 years, we might have a whole slew of young steel guitarists, and then people like me can retire. Yeah.
No, no retirement for you, sorry. They would raise the
I can't
retirement
wait.
age to 68 now.
68. I got a long time. Okay, right? I got another 40 years. Okay. Okay, you gotta bring your set. Are you back? Yeah. Okay, good. So here's a song. This one is a very interesting song. It's played mostly with harmonics. In fact, almost entirely with harmonics, and it's a lovely song. It's a lullaby, in fact. It's called Whispering Lullaby. So listen carefully.
And who wrote that song?
G. Hold on. Oh yeah. Wait. You're playing it in F.
And the Iona.
B flat, F, B flat, F, C, C, F. And it goes to the B flat. Okay, go ahead. Okay. Don't tell me you're nervous now. You are? Oh, relax. Okay, sit back, take a deep breath. Let it out slowly. I gotta tell a lot of my students the same thing. Let it out slowly. Relax. Okay? Got it? You did good. You did really well. Thank you.